Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to sync laptop to Google Drive. To start, go to the link we leave you in the video description. Click on Download Drive for desktop. Wait for it to be downloaded. When the download is complete, click on the file and click Yes to authorize permission. After that, in the window, click on Install. You can create shortcuts or not. Wait for Google Drive to be installed. When the installation is complete, click Launch. After, close this app. After this, right-click on the desktop. Select New and click on Folder. Assign the desired name, and when it is created, you can move some files into it. Then from the taskbar, open Drive. When accessing, click on Gear and select Preferences. When accessing the application, click on Add Folder. Select the created folder and click Select Folder. After that, leave the box checked, sync with Google Drive, click on Done. Finally, access Drive in your browser. There, go to the Computer section and then access the PC where the synchronization was created. You will be able to see the files available there. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.